Okay, review tayo for your coming civil service exam. And math problems tayo dahil marami pong ganitong lumalabas. Okay, so solve natin at i-analyze po natin tong problem na to. If 16 times a number is subtracted to 8 times the number, the result is 6. The question is, what is the number? Okay, so sabi niya dito, if 16 times a number, ang hinahanap po dito, itong number. What is a number? So, pag mga ganitong problem, i-analyze po natin at ilagay po natin into equation. So, sabi niya, 16 times a number. Let n para doon sa number is subtracted to. Okay. So, subtracted to 8 times daw. 8 times the number. Yung number natin, let n ulit para dun sa number. The result is 6. So, ito na po agad yung equation natin for this problem. So, pwede na po nating pag-minusin yung 16 at 8 kasi same naman po sila. 16 minus 8 is equal to 8n is equal to 6. So, para matanggal po yung n, i-divide lang po natin both sides into 8 para maiwan po yung n. So, cancel po natin yan. N is equal to 6, 8. Okay. Dito sa choices natin, wala pong 6, 8. At minsan, binibigyan po nila ng twist at hindi talaga nila nilalagay yung mismong nakuha natin. So, dito, pwede po naman natin tong i-simplify. Okay. Kunin natin yung greatest common factor niya na 2. So, divide lang natin both side by 2. Okay. Para mas ma-simplify siya. N is equal to 6 divided by 2 is 3. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So, 3/4. Okay. Wala pa rin po dyan sa choices. But pag sinabing 3/4, automatically 0.75 yan. Okay. Pero pag hindi pa rin po ninyo makuha, divide lang po natin yung 3 sa 4. So, 3 divided by 4. So, 0 dyan. Naglagay tayo. Okay. Decimal, 0. 30 divided by 4 is 7. 7 times 4 is 28. Okay. So, 2. Maglagay ulit tayo ng 0 dito. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. So, 20 minus 20 is 0. Therefore, the answer is 0.75. Letter D. Okay. Pag 3/4, lagi niyong tatandaan 0.75. Pag 1/2 naman, 0.50. Okay. So, the answer here is 0.75. Learn to analyze the problem before answering the question. Kasi nalilito tayo minsan sa mga wordings pagdating po sa exam. I hope you got this one and follow for more tips, updates, and tutorials for your coming exam.